longest escalator in the world. It's very cool. We're in Central. Very, very cool. So yeah, we're in Central. Walking around. I put my scarf. This is from my Live Paris bag. I don't know if you guys bought that, but I'll leave a link down below. But this is the scarf from my Live Paris bag. It looks so cute in my hair. But yeah, now we're just exploring, and I'll take you guys away. Hey guys, so we've had a really cool day just like exploring, looking at the museum. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes. It's like but yeah, I highly recommend this if you're in Hong Kong. I will put the name in the description and in the video so you know where I am, because I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I will. It's a really cool like day trip. It's free, you just come. Yeah, but I really like that it explains like the history of the area of the prison. It used to be a prison, and they converted it into like this big like arts and cultural facility. But they still really preserve the history, and they tell you like what it was before. So there's a ton of floors, as you can see. It is hot, but there is air conditioning. There's air conditioning. So yeah.